All right, I propped the three-wheeler on its side here, and that's just because you need to get up underneath here and remove that bolt right here. I already got it loosened up. Now I'm just going to set it back on the ground, drain it, be good to go. We're going to replace the oil filter here. Takes a KN 113. There's 3 bolts, one here, here, and here. We're just going to quickly remove those, pop in the new oil filter. With those bolts removed, just go ahead and pull this piece off right here. There's the rubber part of the filter that's going to go this direction. See right here, there's a spring. It goes on the inside the back part of the new filter. We'll clean all this old oil out, just reverse the process. Now I propped this side of the three-wheeler up, and that's because if it's on level ground, that spring won't retain itself. So I just kind of put it at an angle so that way I can get everything lined up. We'll put it back down. The manual says to use 10W40. We're putting this really cheap stuff in there, so hopefully it has high detergent. And we're just gonna put just a little bit of oil around that rubber grommet and insert that new oil filter. Went ahead and put the filter inside of the outer cover to get everything lined up. And we're just gonna insert it in here and bolt it down. All right, so all you need to do now is locate your dipstick right here. And we're gonna put the 2.2 quarts of oil in.